good evening. We go to market. We buy drinks. Oh, you see the clouds, baby? Oh, very dark. Oh, hala. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang itim ng ano. Yan, oh. Clouds. That is a clouds. Very, ano, very black. Yan. With baby boy. There. We buy drinks. It's what time is it? 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. We go to the market. We buy ice cream and drinks. A cola and chocolate drinks. Ayan guys, gabi na. Binata. Ayan, si alaga ko. Ayan. Dito kami. Gabi na. Mag-market kaming dalawa. It's a low battery. Dito kami guys. Naka-red light pa. Kaya nahinto kaming dalawa. Ayan. Ayan guys. Punta kami. It's Wednesday night. Ayan guys. Grabe ang ano oh. Ang clouds. Ang itim. May ulan daw bukas eh. You are late in school this morning. You are late? Oh. Aswes pa siya. Nagbihis pa. Dito lang kami punta sa baba eh. Late daw siya kanina. Pinata ng tangkad. Matangkad pa siya sa akin. Nung dumating ako dito sa kanila noon, ang liit-liit niya. Ayan yung siyo. Very black the clouds. There. Ang itim ng ano. Ang itim ng mga ano. Clouds. Dito kami naghihintay ng green light. Ayan. Walang traffic. Ayan, let's go. I will miss this place. Yeah. Guys, yeah. Mamimiss ko tong lugar na to. Yan, kasi ang tagal ko dito. Yeah, oh, ito kami ng market. Dala namin kasi mabigat. Mamaya yung bibili namin. Diba it's a welcome. Burger kami. Kami dito. Bring card. You bring? Only one? Okay, go. What you want to buy? This one? Grapes? Okay, let's go. And guys, I will buy grapes. And then, what else? Here. Excuse me. And what else? You want to buy bread? What else, baby? What is that? Okay, tada ko din. Cereal. Okay. Next. We have cheese. We still have cheese. Your chocolates for your coffee. Ito yung nahalo sa kape niya. Diba this one? Only one. Para sa kape niya yan guys. Nahalo sa kape niya. And then we buy ice cream. Which one? Which one you want? To buy. Huh? I buy drinks. Study drinks. Coke Zero. Two Coke Zero. Ha? No more? Baby. Colas. Which one? Where you take this one? Cola. No more the ano. How much? You buy 2, baby. You put it. Buy 2. How much, be?
91.
51?
90.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. What else? We have still sausage there. I buy sausage. No more? Be. No more sausage. Yeah. No sausage. Hatikin natin. Wala yung ano, binibili kong ano. No more. Ayan lang. 58. Ayan, 58 this. Kami nga, drinks. Only this one? No more? And this. And we buy this. Really? Okay na yung dalawa. Oh, what you buy? Why so many? Ha? Ayan. Eh? What you buy? Wow, many. Wow. Ha? 4? How much?
Buy one, get one free.
Ah, okay. Buy one, get one free daw. Kaya bumili siya ng 4. How much daw one? Okay. No more? Ito na yung pasta. Ayan. Pasta. Ayan. Okay na yan. I-plus pa muna kami doon. Ayan. I-plus pa naman kami doon. Yung chicken. Ito yung isa. Bacon. Ito pa pala bilhin na. Bacon, ice cream. Okay, let's go. We pay na.
Oh, no. 200.
Okay lah. Come on, I pay. Yeah. Okay. Yan, pay na kami guys. Ayan guys, ang aming binili. Ang dami. Dahil ang binili namin guys. Ayan, thank you for watching. Ayan. Dami, isang cart. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Pauwi na kami ng bahay. Salamat na marami guys. Bye bye.